Residential blast chillers are really cool appliances, but do they have sufficient benefits to justify the purchase? Let's ask a professional. Blast chilling is very new to home chefs, but professional chefs have been using blast chillers for decades and don't have to be convinced of the benefits. Here are just a few of the ways that chefs use blast chillers to improve the quality and safety of their food, reduce waste, and improve kitchen efficiency. The last item on this list will probably surprise you because it may seem to go against everything you've learned so far about blast chilling, so don't miss it. Regular slow freezing degrades food quality because slow freezing allows large ice crystals to form inside the food. Those large crystals break the cell walls of fruits, vegetables, meats, and seafood, damaging the food's texture and leaving it less than flavorful. Blast chillers freeze food so quickly that large crystals don't have time to form. Instead, only small, uniform crystals are created, meaning the natural taste and texture of the food are preserved even after defrosting. And here's an unexpected benefit. Blast chillers can bring that special bottle of wine to the perfect temperature quickly, reducing the temperature by 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit every minute. No worries about the bottle breaking with the Irinox residential blast chillers sold here at LUXX Kitchen and Bath. The precise temperature measurements of an Irinox means the temperature stabilizes immediately when the target temperature is reached. Try doing that with an ordinary freezer. Instead of trying to serve rock-hard ice cream at a birthday party or letting it warm and melt on the counter, why not try a blast chiller? We can quickly and evenly bring ice cream up to serving temperature with a blast chiller while still keeping it frozen. Take the guesswork out of serving frozen desserts and focus on your guests instead. Need to quickly defrost a dish and don't want to microwave it? Your blast chiller will do the job perfectly, and you won't risk overcooking or drying out parts of the food, as often happens when defrosting with a microwave. Now here's the reason you weren't expecting. Have a dish in the fridge or freezer that you want to have hot and ready to eat when your kids come home from school and you're still at the office. We'll put it in the blast chiller in the morning, punch in the time and temperature, and the blast chiller will keep it safely cold until it's time to heat it up. And yes, an Irinox home blast chiller can reheat food. If your kids are late returning from school or sports, no problem. Our blast chillers can keep food hot for up to 48 hours. Irinox blast chillers can even slow cook at low temperatures of up to 158 degrees, proof bread, and shock freeze raw fish for safe sushi and sashimi preparation. How's that for a multi-purpose appliance? If you've listened this far and been surprised by all the useful things a residential blast chiller can do, drop in our Boise showroom for a blast chiller demonstration. And be sure to give the subscribe button a nudge so that you don't miss our upcoming blast chiller demonstration videos.